Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to unbox the LG VX10000, also known as the LG Voyager. This box is in pretty rough shape though, but I'm going to give you a look around the box. I got this phone's like a glossy feel too on it. That's pretty cool. Same with this one, it's kind of like a glossy imprint. Inside you're going to get your user guide, your tips, hints, and shortcuts guide. You're going to get the proprietary LG charger. You're going to get the phone and the battery. Alrighty, time to do a startup. This is a resistive touchscreen. On the left side, you're going to have your camera key. My camera will focus. There you go, camera key. You have your lock key, your volume rockers. On the bottom, you have your proprietary LG charging port. On the right side, you have your micro SD card slot. 2.5mm headphone jack right here. Nothing on the top. On the back, you have your 2.0 megapixel camera with no flash. The back's kind of got like a rubbery feel. Feels pretty decent. On the front, you have your resistive touchscreen. You have 3 physical buttons down here. And opening it up, you have your full QWERTY keyboard, your navigation keys, your internal display with your speakers. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the LG Voyager, and stay tuned for the next one.